Hello there, it's Ysr Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this YouTube tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can play audio classic video games on your phone or an Android device. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and go into Google and type in YMTWG Emulator. Then make sure you select this one. The first one there is the one that says XIO. Click on that. Just click on download. Then click on download, not Google Play download, because I'm not 100% sure if it works properly because it crashes sometimes. I'm not going to click on download. I've already clicked download, so I'm going to go to my download folder. I'm going to download it. So do you want to install it? So do you want to install it? Yeah, click install. And here's going to say app installed, done, open. I'm going to open it to show you that it works. And then it's going to say do disclaimer and all this information. Click agree. Just say allow it. I don't know if it makes any difference. Click that. Then it will say to recommendation these games. I'm just not going to do that at the moment because it can take too long to download, but you can do it. So I'm going to skip that one and it's going to download this first one. And then it depends on, you can change the where you want it to download it to, but I'm just going to leave it there. The location, so we know that we'll just do one for the time being. Press start, we'll click start. And also this allows it, where it works in two ways. It works with Bluetooth controller and with that, so that's there, so you can hear it there, it's there. And if I do it here, if I scroll down a little, I'm going to go to the Bluetooth bit. It's a wireless controller, so like if the left want to prove that it works, then we're done there, it's connected, so then we can see that image, so that it works. So it's on the pause menu at the moment, so you can see there's no writing there. Over there you can see there's writing there. Now there's no writing there. And that's the game done. And that is how you can download games using the YMTWG emulator. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe, then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you very much.